Hi Don and Storyline team. My name is Travis Matthews and I am excited and honored to apply for the event coordinator's position with Storyline. I actually live in Wilmington, North Carolina on the coast, but I'm coming at you from Mitchell Community College in my hometown. I drove up for the Easter break and I'm getting this film now. I wanted to film this on a college campus because the whole college experience had a profound effect upon me. I met some incredible friends, had some great experiences, and I had some professors who really took me in to become academic mentors to me. Okay, so how will working for Storyline help me to achieve my life goals? I want to answer that by actually reading a blog post from Donald Miller. On January 13th, 2014, Don wrote, "In other words, Storyline exists to create a healthy, growing, healing, and restorative community of professionals operating in excellence." That was beautiful, profound, and most of all, inspiring. To be honest, I have never worked for a company or seen a mission statement from a company that honored their employees so respectfully. I honestly believe any company that sets up that type of atmosphere will allow humans to grow and excel. I've seen this with school kids, and I've seen this with my own life. Surrounded by that kind of love and respect, I believe I will grow relationally, professionally, and spiritually. Equally as important, I believe in the overall mission of Storyline, and that is to inspire people through example and coaching to live lives of significance and meaning. On a heart level, I think humans know this to be true, but we have allowed square footage, fancy cars, and overall consumerism to steal our deepest dreams. I am on board with the philosophy of Storyline. I attended a conference in Nashville, October 2013, and I want to be a part of a team that delivers this transforming message. Event planning is a significant part of my position in the district office with New Hanover County Schools. I honestly enjoy the structure and organizational aspect of conference and workshop planning. Aside from the structure, I also enjoy forming relationships with the food providers, the building managers, the volunteers, and the presenters. I have generally found that when you treat these outside providers with respect and honor, they will do everything they can to help make your conference a success. Also, I love Nashville and would welcome a move to the Music City. Finally, I'm a reader. I love academics and I enjoy being pushed in this area. Storyline hires smart, engaging people, and I would love to be a part of this team.